Our skin is our body's largest organ and also one of the first things people notice about us. Now, it deserves to be taken care of, something that the team at Maloney Plastic Surgery and Skincare make very easy. Nurse, skincare specialist, and laser technician Cynthia Wood is back again with the details. Cynthia, such a pleasure to sit down with you.
Good morning. Nice to see you.
Always good to see you. So we're talking about our skin and how important it is to really take care of it and sort of have a regimen to take care of it. And that's why you guys have a maintenance program for our skin, right?
Yes. So, and of course, the maintenance program always starts at home, and we like our patients to look at long term.
Right.
So if people come in, my patients come in and say, well, sometimes I use sunscreen and sometimes I use a moisturizer. That's not enough. We want you to look at long term. We want you to find out what's going to be best for your skin and use it to keep your skin healthy and keep it fresh and glowing long term, so it always looks as best as it can.
Right, and like anything, consistency is key, right? You have to do it every single day. How do you decide and determine what is best for the patient?
Yeah, so there's a lot of factors that go into that, and that's why when people come into our office, we like to do a comprehensive, really in-depth skincare consult, so we can factor in age, you know, fine lines, wrinkles, your skin type, whether you have acneic skin or you have issues with pigment or redness, and also what your focus is. What are the things that bother you? And then we also have to take into consideration budget, and we want to take into consideration your time. So we have a lot of snowbirds that come in.
Right.
So they'll work with us over the winter and early spring, but then they're going to go home for a couple months. We want to make sure that they continue their program so that they're getting the best care of their skin that they can all year long. And then also with Dr. Maloney's facelift patients. So they come in, Dr. Maloney does a facelift, you look 10 or 15 years younger, and a lot of people say, well, how long is this going to last? Well, it depends on how you're taking care of your skin. So we really encourage people to have a good maintenance program at some level, so that the results of their facelift last longer, so that the collagen and the elastin in your skin doesn't break down quickly. So a lot of people don't tie in their skincare and that maintenance in with the facelift, but it's very important after you spend the time and the dollars to make yourself look younger.
Right, you want to sort of protect your investment, right? And it takes work, and it takes, you know, keep doing the right things.
Exactly.
Let's talk about the programs for men. Is that different than programs for women? Because we need the help just as much as the women do.
You do, but we have to keep it very simple for men, because men tend to not like to get into all the fluffy stuff and a lot of product. But men in particular get a lot of sun damage on their necks, and they don't like to use a lot of products. So we try to keep it very simple but effective for men, whether that be a couple, you know, light therapies to lift pigment and calm down redness, and also use maybe a little bit more effective and simple one product, all-in-one type of product. So something that's got a good sunscreen in it, like a vitamin A or vitamin C, and then a good moisturizer, so that you get out of the shower, you have one product, you put it on, you're good to go, you have what you need. Men tend to like that, obviously, a little bit better than some of the things that we like to do.
Sure, and for example, in the past I've had something like a glycolic peel done on my face, and men, you'd be surprised how good your skin is after a procedure like that. It really makes a difference.
Right, and it really is much more common for men to come in and see us now than you would think. I mean, years ago it wasn't quite like that.
We're getting a little vain ourselves.
Well, you're interested in keeping your skin looking good and looking a little bit younger and healthier, so yeah, it's pretty common now.
Yeah, and so at a minimum, if you had to recommend to the viewers what they should be doing at home, obviously something like a lotion with a sunscreen in it, right? Is that sort of the bare minimum that we can be doing?
Yeah, so the basics are always going to be about the same, the things that are going to protect, maintain, and improve, and that's always going to be sunscreen, absolutely. I'm a huge nag with my patients with sunscreen because it's so important. A good antioxidant serum underneath, a moisturizer that works for your skin type, And then some type of Retin-A is always the best thing to do, whether it's a prescription Retin-A or a non-prescription retinol. And then we like to add some things that are more specific to your skin type, your needs, your issues.
And you mentioned skin type. You're not going to necessarily know what that is unless you come in, see the specialist. They can sort of tailor a program for you. Now, does Maloney offer yearly services, yearly service packages?
Yeah, so we do like to offer things that are going to encourage people to again, to maintain
have a schedule,
and have an ongoing thing. So So one of the things that our clinical coordinator, Lindsay, does is she offers every month, we have different specials, whether it be for product or procedures or anything that you might want to try, check out and see if you like it. So we tell people to go to our website, maloneyplasticsurgery.com, and join our M Club. So it's an email blast, but we do not bombard you with emails. You get 2 emails a month. There's no obligation to do anything with it. We give you a gift when you sign up. So you'll get 1 email with the following month's specials, and then you'll get a reminder. If there's something you like, you might want to come in and try it at a lower cost to see if you like it and it's something you'll want to continue to do.
Well, people watching right now are thinking, well, if there's lovely people like Cynthia there at Maloney, why wouldn't I want to go in and start taking better care of my skin? Cynthia, as always, great job, and thanks for being here.
Thank you so much.
Nice to see you. Now, here's that special offer one more time. Right now, get a 1-hour skincare consultation with 3D imaging of your skin for free, which is normally $135. Now, for all the current December specials, visit maloneyplasticsurgery.com, or to learn more, call 520-298-2330.